Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to update BDO application in your mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here the first things you can do is log into your BDO application using your user ID and password. And okay guys, after you enter the username and the password, you'll have to do is click login button. And okay guys, here you can see the error. Okay, we need to update the BDO application in your mobile phone. And okay guys, here you can see the error. You need to update your BDO mobile application to the latest version to be able to continue. And okay guys, you only have to do is go to your Play Store. And okay guys, here in Play Store, you'll have to just click or go to Play Store application in your mobile phone here. You'll have to do is search the BDO mobile banking. You'll have to do is search the BDO mobile banking app. And okay guys, here automatically show the BDO digital banking application or BDO Unibank. And okay guys, you can see the update button on the right side. You'll have to do is click the update button to update the BDO application in your mobile phone. And okay guys, you all have to do is wait to update the BDO application. And okay guys, we have successfully installed or update the BDO digital banking application in your mobile phone. And okay guys, here you can see the open button or go to application on your home screen. Okay guys, here you can see the BDO digital banking application. And okay, we can try to log in again to make sure the application is up to date. And okay guys, here you can see the verify device. You can skip this or you can click the next button. I try to click the next button. Click next. And okay guys, now we can try it to log into BDO application new update. And okay guys, after you enter the username and the password of your BDO account, you'll have to do is click login button. And okay guys, after the update, after you log into new update application, we need to set up your personal 6-digit PIN to secure your login and transaction. You can enter the PIN should not be sequence, example 1 2 3 4 5 6, or repeating the example is 000. We can create the 6-digit PIN with different number or letter. And okay guys, after you create the new PIN, you can re-enter the PIN. And okay guys, after you re-enter the PIN, you'll have to do is click the next button below. And okay guys, now PIN set. You can now use your 6-digit PIN to log in and validate transaction if your face and the biometric are unavailable. And okay guys, you'll have to do is click the done button. And okay guys, now here you can see the enable face fingerprint login. So maybe create later. So I click the maybe later button. And okay guys, we have successfully logged into new BDO application or new update BDO application to my mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, thank you for watching.